Hello everyone, welcome to the Finance Mind channel. Today I will tell you two different topics, spike and soul. Now, without further ado, let's get started. My friends, the needles in the charts are in two parts. The first is long needles, namely spikes. The other is needles that are almost never seen or needles for a couple of pipes. Yes, spikes are two parts in long needles. The first is the reaction needles and the other is the destroyer needles. Reaction needles are needles where the price changes direction after a strong reaction from a region. Destroying needles are the needles where the price does not react and change direction. That is, the buyers or sellers who receive a reaction are finished and the price goes further than the needle. In both cases, we need to wait and get confirmation after the needle occurs, my friends. There are three key points for you to be able to read needles well. First is momentum. So we will follow the size of the candles very well. If the momentum is up, ignore the candles that give a sell signal, friends. Yes, look, my friends. The second important element is whether the price is the supply and payment region that's subtle. Yes. The most important issue here is whether the supply and payment region fresh. If the price visits that region for the first time after the supplement region is formed. That region is the new supplement region. Therefore, the probability of a reaction is very high. Yes, if it is not new, destructive zones usually form in these areas. Yes, look, read the graph well. Bobin, first test, and boom. The third issue is whether the spikes are formed with economic data, that is, with important news. Yes, look, review the graph well. Such as non-farm employment, Federal Open Market Committee, and comments. Be very careful with this. Let me warn you first. Try not to be in the transaction at the time of the news, my friends. Spikes generated by economic data are often devastating. Finally, friends, if the price has formed a long candle in the direction of the trend, yes, trend look, and the needles in the direction of the long candles are long, the other side is very short. It indicates that the price will continue in the same direction for a while. Stop and examine the video in the graphics. Then test it on your own platform and repeat it, guys. As for the second important issue, which the strategy I'm going to tell you today, you can win without even looking at anything else. If you understand the system in a disciplined way and apply it patiently, then all you need will be a money counter. Yeah, money counter. For this, as always, you do not need to follow any indicators. No, don't. You don't indicators. Maybe indicators or utility programs or economic news. The purpose of this system is to detect the tariff movement in the area where the buyers or sellers are. It's very easy to detect in on the chart, my friends. It can be applied in any time zone or any platform, doesn't matter. First of all, we need to follow the coiled regions well in the graphics. Secondly, if a spike is thrown into the coil area right after the coil is formed, it means that area is weakened or reactioned. Thirdly, volume. If the price has formed a candle in the direction of the spike, the region has weakened. We are only involved in the fourth stage of this event. Yes, that is the testing phase. Yes, bobbing and testing. When the region is tested and reacted again, we enter the process. For example, EuroCAD 1 hour chart. Look carefully at coil number on area. A spike, that is a needle, was left in the area immediately as seen in number 2. Spike. After the needle, the coil is crossed with a large candlestick. We understand from there that the sellers have run out. We do not deal with it here either. The area the incident occurred is very likely to be retested. Yeah, retested after a good reaction. It's it is best to trade in the middle of the rising candle first. Therefore, instead of giving or buy order to region, you should wait for it to be tested and look and enter the trade when it rises. Open it and examine the graphics and see the saw formation and repeat. Yeah, thank you to those who watched and listened to the end. That's all I am going to tell you for today, my friends. If you have anything you want to ask, you can write in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support me. By the way, my English is really bad. I'm sorry. Really, I'm so sorry. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself and good luck.